In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record Slack calls. First, open your web browser and head to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Slack, then open Slack's official site from the results. Sign into your workspace as you normally do so you can access your channels and direct messages. Now, let's start a call in Slack using a huddle. A huddle is Slack's lightweight audio call that you can start in a channel or a direct message to talk things through quickly. In the left sidebar, pick the channel or person you want to meet with. Look for the huddle's control, then click it to begin. If you see a prompt to start huddle or start a huddle, go ahead and confirm. You'll know you're in when the huddle panel opens and you can see audio controls and participant details. With the huddle running, you can record it using Windows' built-in screen recorder. On your keyboard, press the Windows key, the Alt key, and the R key at the same time. You should see a small recording indicator appear, confirming that your screen is being captured. This shortcut uses the Xbox game bar in the background, so it's quick and doesn't require any extra setup in most cases. Remember to get permission from everyone on the call before recording, and be mindful of any company or local policies about call recording. While the recording is active, speak as you normally would. If you share your screen or turn on video in the huddle, that content will also be captured by the screen recorder. The same keyboard shortcut toggles recording on and off, so when you're finished, press Windows, Alt, and R again to stop. Your recording will automatically save to your files. On most Windows computers, it's stored in the Captures folder inside your videos library. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment to finalize. You can play it back to review the audio quality, trim it in your preferred editor, and move or rename the file so it's easy to find later. That's it. You opened Slack, started a huddle, and captured the conversation with a simple keyboard shortcut. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you document your next Slack call with confidence.